Hello, David here, and the project for today is to attempt a temporary repair on a loose charging port on a cell phone. This is a T-Mobile Revvl 6 Pro, and it's probably going to be the same for a lot of different brands of cell phones. What happens is you just touch this cord and it goes from charge to discharge. And while this is a temporary fix, I'm going to do something a little more permanent. I went to T-Mobile, and they don't fix any phones there. They're just interested in selling you a new phone. And I called around to some phone repair places. They charge anywhere from $100 to $125 to replace the port. You could probably open the phone, go in, take the port out, and then squeeze it a little with pliers to tighten it up. That might work, but temporarily what I found is put a little clear tape on here. So you want to run off a little tape about the depth of the plug. You want about 1/4 of an inch. And I found that this tape that's 3/8 of an inch wide perfectly wraps around both sides of the plug. A little bit too long. Burnish it down real good. There we go, charging. I'm wiggling it and it's staying charged. Oh, it's uncharged. However, it stays in a charging state longer. Kind of annoying. You wake up in the morning, you think your phone's charging and it's completely dead. So when you wiggle it to a place it's charging, it should stay there. Stay. Don't make a liar out of me. Set it and forget it. And that's why this is temporary. It's not 100%, but it's better than it was. Just a little bit better. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.